Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your keyboard shortcuts. There are a lot of great keyboard shortcuts in Final Cut. Most of them you may know as A is the select tool, T is trim, P is position, range tool, B is blade, etc, etc. But there are a few that I use quite a bit, so I wanted to make them easier for me to use without having to use the modifier keys. So this is how you change the layout or your shortcuts on the keyboard. So first thing you do is go up to where it says Final Cut Pro, go where it says Commands, go to Customize, and you'll see this keyboard pop up. So there are two shortcuts that I use quite a bit. One is Gap. I always like to put a gap at the beginning of the video and one at the end. And also another one is Keyframes. So up here in this search bar, type in Gap. So you see right here the keyboard shortcut for insert gap is the modifier Option W. Well, that's kind of a pain to have to always press these two buttons every time you want to make a gap. So what I want to do is just make it the letter G. What you do is you grab where it says insert gap, drag it up to G, and what it's going to do is it's going to make a copy of this keyboard. Make copy. Name it whatever you want to name it, hit OK. So now you see the new keyboard shortcut for insert gap is G. Another keyboard shortcut that I use quite a bit is keyframes. So go up in the search bar, type in keyframes, and you'll see right here is add keyframes to selected effect and animation, and it is Option K, which is not really that difficult, but I want to make it even easier. Drag this up to K. And now the keyboard shortcut for keyframes is K. And you can do this with any keyboard shortcut that you want to change. If there's certain shortcuts that you want to make easier where it's just one letter, you just hit one button, then this is the way to do it. So then you hit save, close. So now when I want to put a gap, all I have to do is hit G. And if I want to add a keyframe, I just hit K. Much easier. So I hope you enjoyed this short Final Cut Pro tutorial video on how to change the keyboard shortcuts in Final Cut Pro, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below if you have a question. Thanks for watching.